What are the main factors behind the success of any professional athlete? Stamina, power, speed, and toughness. To come out top in disciplines such as triathlon, peak performance is required at all times and under many different conditions. The same applies to PEWAG products. They are developed with the ultimate aim of withstanding even extreme forces. In this context, peak performance means perfect transmission of power and speedy, safe handling. Products that prove their worth in the highest mountains of the Alps provide top quality for PEWAG customers all over the world. One secret behind the success of PEWAG is its century-old ability to develop products and services for a wide range of customer requirements. Today's PEWAG product portfolio ranges from snow and traction chains and tire protection chains through to technical chains and do-it-yourself, all the way to special purpose engineering. In all these areas, top performance is only possible with high-quality materials that have been tested for the application at hand. The correct torque is not just important for professional cyclists, but also for conveyor belts, forestry uses, and many other applications. This is where the experience of the PEWAG chain experts really comes into its own. After all, the history of the company goes back to the 15th century. Innumerable challenges have been overcome over the course of the centuries, with new ones cropping up every day. The result? Chains that are always there for you, independent of the weather, the temperature, or the level of exposure. Safety is a crucial factor in our success. For instance, in the field of lifting and lashing technology, where enormous volumes and weights must be moved with absolute reliability. For many of us, nature is primarily a recreational space. However, for the PEWAG specialists, it's the most important and probably also the toughest test track in the world. Only products that function smoothly, even in the most difficult and strenuous conditions, can go into serial production. Safety is paramount. For forest workers, top-grade chains are not a luxury, but a necessary precaution to protect men and materials. 100% guaranteed hold at the moment that counts. This is what the forest workers must be able to rely on, which explains why so many of them are dedicated fans of the PEWAG brand. And just like team play is essential in forestry work and in sports, it is also a crucial element for PEWAG. Each and every member of our company is encouraged to make the most of his or her individual strengths in product development, service, or as a worldwide brand ambassador like Faris Al Sultan, triathlete, and Mr. Ironman. Being a successful triathlete requires power and stamina over a period of years and under extremely difficult conditions. Training and the will to win are not enough. Success will ultimately depend on the perfect training strategy to carry you through the competition. The same applies to a well-run company. Those on top of their game usually display a characteristic combination of performance and strategy, quality, stamina, and passion. Those are the things that I have in common with PEWAG, and that is why I like their motto so much.
Strong is not enough.
It's remarkable that the company was founded before America was even discovered, and there's no doubt that sophisticated strategies and stamina are required to reach the top and to stay there. Today, PEWAG is an international group employing almost 1,500 people. Over the past decades, solid growth has meant that we at PEWAG have not just discovered America, but also many other parts of the world. What we are able to learn from our partners in the world of art and sports is this: doing a good job is not enough. What is even more important is the drive to continuously improve your performance. PEWAG products are developed at the heart of Europe and are used all over the world. PEWAG chains are manufactured to the most stringent quality standards. The result? Premium products that are available in different designs and material strengths depending on the individual customer requirements. Every single element is manufactured with the highest possible level of precision. A special feature of Pevag products is their optimal geometric shape. A proud moment for any chain. The stamp not only shows that this is a Pevag product, but also indicates the grade and the traceability code. The heat treatment is where the durability and toughness of the final product are determined, depending on the raw material used. The surface treatment comes next, whether sandblasted, electrolytically galvanized, or treated with environmentally friendly varnish. This is where the chain receives its final touches. By the way, diamonds really are a Pevag tester's best friends. In our quality control section, it's make or break for the chain with yet another stress test. If there were such a thing as a heavyweight champion among chains, the ones to deserve that title would be tire protection chains. They carry a particularly high responsibility, for instance in mines where they protect tires from damages and help to ensure that all the machines remain fully operational. Pevag tire protection chains are in use from Alaska to New Zealand and from Russia to Chile. Among many other vehicles, they are used with the world's largest wheel loader that weighs more than 260 tons. Here too, what counts is premium quality, manufactured and inspected by hand. Pevag is synonymous with design from the heart of Europe since 1479. Our business stands for premium quality chains that live up to the toughest challenges and for the highest possible level of service all over the world. For instance, with mobile service and test stations, Pevag comes to you wherever you need us. Friendly and reliable, experienced and flexible, and always excellently prepared. The fact that Pevag chains today are in high demand all over the world has nothing to do with coincidence, but with consistent efforts and a dedication to doing an even better job tomorrow. Pevag, strong is not enough.